Born in the heart of Italian kitchens, where patience is power and flavor is forged in the ground. Layer upon layer, a story unfolds of sauce, of cheese, of comfort passed down through generations. This is not just food, this is heritage. Eggplant Parmigiana, an epic of flavor.
Let's start with the sauce. Today I'm just gonna make a quick marinara. Consists of garlic, little white wine, fresh basil from the garden, 2 cans of tomatoes. Later I added little tomato paste and red pepper. Into a saucepan goes a decent amount of olive oil, garlic, red pepper, fresh basil, and tomato paste. I stir and deglaze with white wine. After about 30 minutes, I go back, stir and crush the tomatoes with my wooden spoon. Growing up in New York, this is one of my most distinct memories of food. My mother would either make this on a Sunday, or we would go out to a restaurant, whatever place it was. I'd always order the eggplant parm. It was one of the ways for me I'd always judge an Italian restaurant. To me, it's the perfect vehicle to the Parmesan. It all blends together so well, and the eggplant just absorbs whatever flavor you add to it. I slice the eggplant thin, but this time I'm leaving the skin on. I salt the eggplant to remove some of the bitterness and water that it's holding on to. I do a standard breading here. I add some locatelli to season breadcrumbs, nothing fancy, then fry it until crispy and finish it with a little salt. When everything's done, I add some of that fresh tomato sauce to an oven-safe platter, covered with some fresh mozzarella that I had in the fridge, and some aged Parmesan Reggiano. I topped it with some sliced fresh basil and throw it under the broiler until the cheese is bubbling and toasted. Today I'm eating it on a hero with some ciabatta bread that I made earlier. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below.